Your eyes are beginning to close. Let them close. 1, you are now in a deep level of trance. Bloody talk. What did you expect? I don't know. I hadn't thought it through.